If you want to know anything, our DG can help to solve for you better, right? So today I will give you 8 key points. So now we are going to first point. We can provide you with marketing design and development solutions. Our professional excellent design team started from zero through market research to create your unique brand image, which enhance our customer brand experience in the purchase process. Let you win at the starting line and easily surpass your competitors. In each project, we will closely cooperate with you to finish products beyond your expectations. Enhance your brand with impeccable customization service. Now we are going to second point. DG can conduct door-to-door maximum. Experts guide you to complete each step for your ideas to provide professional insights and suggestions in all aspects. We will eliminate the possible defects in our design and keep up with the global market trend. For the first contact to the finished products, we will accompany you throughout the whole journey until the products finish. Now we are going to third point. We can provide the whole shop design service from the floor plan to the proposal plan to the 3D design of the whole shop. The professional design team and our project consultant team can participate in the whole process to ensure that overall plan is restored one-to-one, even beyond your image. So how do you think that? Now we are going to fourth point. We can provide OEM and ODM service, which is our core business, according to your style, material, color, and other requirements for full set customizations so that your each product quality and quantity delivery on time to ensure that you're smoothly opening as your schedule. Now we are going to fixed point. Due to the large production volume, we pay more attention to delivery on time, meeting customers' expectations and delivery requirements is our top priority. For the stock goods, we can deliver it quickly within only 7 days. Now we go to sixth point. Due to the variety of materials to purchase, we can help you one stop from display showcase to display prop furniture. We make one-stop completion and truly achieve one-stop procurement, which can help you save more time. Now we are going to 7 points. We can provide you with professional door-to-door installation with the most professional, high-quality, efficient service for the final effect of your store. Now we are going to 8 points. We can not only provide you with perfect after-sales maintenance service, the correct cleaning and maintenance knowledge, professional customer service staff return visit, but also provide you with the latest market trends. We are really from the multi-dimensional to help our customers, service our customers, and give energy to our customers.